Imagine creating one file, just one, and getting paid for it over and over every single day without doing any extra work. That's not a fantasy. That's digital products. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to go from $0 to $300 a month, step by step, using tools that are completely free. Welcome back to SoloBiz AI, real ways to build income with AI. No experience needed. A digital product is anything you create once and sell unlimited times. No shipping, no inventory, no factory. Examples: PDF guides, templates, checklists, planners, presets, ebooks. The reason this works so well in 2025 is AI. You can research, write, and design a complete product in hours instead of weeks. The product does the selling for you, forever. Step 1. Pick a topic. The best digital products solve one specific problem for one specific person. Don't make a guide to fitness. Make a 7-day home workout plan for beginners with no equipment. Specific sells.
Think about what you already know a little about: budgeting, studying, social media, cooking, productivity. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to organize information better than it currently exists for free.
Step 2. Research with AI. Open Claude and type, "I want to create a digital product about your topic. Give me an outline with 5 to 7 sections that would be genuinely useful to a beginner." You'll get a structured outline in seconds.
Then ask Claude to expand each section with practical, actionable content. This turns hours of research into minutes.
Step 3. Design it in Canva, completely free. Search ebook or workbook templates. Canva has hundreds. Pick one that matches your topic's vibe. Replace the placeholder text with your AI-generated content. Add your branding, logo, colors, fonts. Keep it clean. 10 to 20 pages is plenty for a $5 to $15 product. Step 4. Gumroad, free to use. Create an account, click New Product, upload your PDF, set your price between $5 and $15, write a short description using AI again if needed, and publish. Gumroad handles payments, delivery, everything. Step 5. Traffic. This is where your YouTube channel becomes powerful. Every video you make can mention your product naturally. If you want the full checklist I use, link is in the description. Pin it in comments, mention it in shorts, post about it on Twitter or TikTok. You don't need huge numbers. 1,000 people seeing it and a 1% conversion rate is 10 sales. At $10 each, that's $100. Do this consistently across a few products, and $300 per month becomes very achievable. Let's do real numbers. 3 products at $10 each. You need 30 total sales a month for $300. That's 1 sale per day. With even a small audience posting consistently, that's realistic. And once it's made, it keeps selling, month after month, while you're working on your next video, your next product, your next idea. That's the complete system. Pick a topic, research with AI, design in Canva, sell on Gumroad, drive traffic with content you're already making. Zero cost, real income potential. If you found this useful, subscribe. Next week, I'm covering another AI business system. Comment below what digital product idea you're thinking of. I'll give you feedback.